Sikubingelele sikwamukele indaba zehora lokuqala emini sibingelele nakuwe osibuka ohlelweni lotholusha lezokusakaza lezi ndaba nizethu iwo ngokusokhela nazo ezinohlonze emini nje
sisho udulise sisho
Iyaqhubeka inkonzo yesikhumbuzo kaNdunankulu wesizwe samaZulu nobephinda abe ngumsunguli weqembu iNkatha Freedom Party inkosi uMangosuthu Buthelezi Olundi. Umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa usebhalele uadvocate uBusiwe Mkhwebane emazisa ngesinqumo sokumsusa ngokusemthethweni esikhundleni sokuba umvikeli womphakathi.
Plenty of hang time on the cross. Mvala with a good touch. Mvala squares Foster.
Igoli elishawa umgadlo ogijima ku-English Premier League uLive Foster ilona eliqinisekise ukuthi bafana iguqisa iDRC ngegoli elilodwa eqandele emidlalweni obungani.
Shame. Soalisa.
Iyaqhubeka inkonzo yesikhumbuzo kaNdunankulu wesizwe samaZulu nobephinda abe ngumsunguli weqembu iNkatha Freedom Party inkosi uMangosuthu Buthelezi Olundi. Mbukeli ake sicoshe bukhoma lenkonzo yesikhumbuzo.
uNkulunkulu ubeke wasipha luhlobo luni mahlobo. Masizothe sikhuleke let us pray. uNkulunkulu somandla siphambi kwakho ngalesi sikhathi. Sibonga ubukhona bakho okhethekileyo nakubantu bakho nakithi sonke nakule ndawo esikuyo. Sibonga ngoba umuntu umsebenzi wezandla zakho. Siyakubonga baba ngekuyakho esisandulele.
Mbukeli sikwamukele futhi sisekulona udaba lenkonzo yesikhumbuzo kusenjalo amalungu eParliament kanye nomkhandlu efundazwe ahloniphe inkosi uMangosuthu Buthelezi esekhotheme ngesikhathi ehambela ekhaya layo ukuyokhalisana nomndeni nezihlobo zakwaButhelezi.
Ekseni namhlanje amalungu eParliament likazwelonke eholwa usomlomo uNosiviwe Mapisa Nqakula aqale ngokwedlulela ekhaya kwaphinda ngene ukuyobona umndeni. Usihlalo womkhandlu omele ifundazwe iNCOP ubaluleke kakhulu iqhaza ebelibanjwe umntwana kwaphinda ngene einhlakeni zikahulumeni.
Umlayezo wakhe ushenge ukuba sibamba umthetho sakhe lisadeki kusasa eqhakazile sinokhohle lo mlayezo. We thank his party, the Inkatha Freedom Party, for the contribution that Honorable Prince Buthelezi was able to make in strengthening post-apartheid democracy.
Usomlomo weParliament wedlulise amazwi enduduzo emndenini waphinde wenaba nangeimfundiso abayohlale beyikhumbula ngenkosi yakwaButhelezi eParliament.
Utata taught us discipline because bakaphoxa ngaphanga lamzuzu uzakulandela ecaleni akubeka phansi akuxele into afuna ukuxela yona and uzakuxelela into kudala silapha uthuthuthi athi kudala silapha we've been here and I think that helped many of us grow.
Inkosi uMangosuthu Buthelezi yangena eParliament ngo1994 yaqokwa njengongqongqoshe womnyango wezasekhaya ngaphansi kwecabinet yokuqala kaDokotela uNelson Mandela.
Kanti kusenjalo izinduna kanye nezakhamuzi zaseMostela seGoli engakwazanga ukulibhekisa Olundi zibambe inkonzo yesikhumbuzo eSoweto. Ukuzwa kabanzi ngalolu daba sixhumana nentatheli yethu uMbalenhle Mthethwa. Manyambose asikubingelele sikwamkele indabeni ezihora lokuqala emini akusibeke esithombeni ukuthi njengalokhu uqhubeka inkonzo yesikhumbuzo ehlelwe yinduna ezingakwazanga ukuthi zehle zilibhekise uLundi kwenzekani lapho ukhona.
Yebo ikakhulukazi uhlelo lokuqala ekseni lapho sibone khona induna zihlangana zonke zivela zihamba zicule emgwaqeni zihamba khona la ehostel eNansfield Hospital zikhipha abantu ezindlini zibabiza ukuthi mabeze nabo bezobhiyoza bemkhumbula futhi lo wayehunduna nkulu owesifundazwe owamaZulu lo ekuthiwa phecelezi ngesingisi i-traditional prime minister for amaZulu. Ngitholana nomunye wazo induna lana esokhuluma nazo nje naye nje kabanzi ukuthi yena uzomkhumbula kanjani indlela afisa ukukhumbula ngayo ubabushenge. Bese cela usazisa nje kabanzi ukuthi wena uzomkhumbula kanjani ubaba lo sekhothela.
Imbabazane emahaqa usungulo luyibunubunu. Indoda indidandidana indoda edida amadoda etafuleni. Ushange thina njengomuntu obuya lapha kwaNongoma esigodini sakwaMinyi oyinduna abantu baseNicefield ophathele isilo simkhumbula kakhulu Ushange ikakhulukazi eyintweni njengathi njoba sila emahostel ngikhumbula ngo2011 sila eNike lapha asinikeza khona ukuthi kufanele sibambane sikwazi ukuthi njengoba siphansi kwamalokishi masingapha eGoli sifunde indlela sokuthi siwumuntu ngamunye siyinte eyodwa.
So into engizwa uyichaza kabanzi ukuthi wayethanda ukuthi abantu babe yimbumba nokuthi babambane ngaso sonke isikhathi kube khona nokuthula futhi phakathi kwabantu bonke abahlala bonke emahostela kungabi bikho futhi nokucwasana mayelana nezinhlanga mhlawumbe noma izinhlangano lezi zepolitiki labantu abayilandelayo.
Ngibonga kakhulu ukuthi ungibuze kulo mbuzo ngoba abantu abaningi bakhuluma ukuphendulela ezinye izinto engekho. Siyazi ukuthi kwaba khona ikhathe eziningi lapha okwabangazathi akhambi kahle. Kodwa nje ngathi ikakhulukazi mina ngifikela ngo1982 akaze lapha ngikhumbula lapho ukuthuma umntwana waphinda ngene wakwafika kwelithi side wafika wathi hambani uyokwenza ukuthile. Siyazazi neziga ezisehlele sihamba ngezitimela. Kodwa njengamanje umntwana waphinda ngene njengoba ephumule sibonga kakhulu ukuthi sikukhumbule kakhulukazi kithi sithi akahambe bamhlangabeze omakulumani induna ezinye ezinkulu okuyizona ezaba ngaphansi kwamakhosi akwaZulu.
Siyazi ukuthi beninesicelo futhi ukuthi nithole mhlawumbe usizo ukuthi nikwazi ukuthi nani niye kwaLundi ngoba imbangela noma isizathi senze ukuthi nikhipha abantu bafike bezobhikisha la umntaka ngenxa yokuthi isimo semali sokuthi nayafisa ukuthi nibe khona nani le kwaNongoma kodwa amandla ayibona ngekho.
Siyabonga kakhulu sibonga kakhulu ukuthi umongameli asipho ukubekeka nokufihleka kwenkosi yethu okuwumntwana ophinda ngene okunduna nkulu futhi wesizwe samaZulu ukuthi asinikeze usuku kodwa okukhulu kakhulu ebesicela uhulumeni phela uRamaphosa njengoba ewumongameli sijabulile nangokusibikela nje ukuthi selishonela kodwa okukhulu ebesicela abakwazi phela ukuthi njengabantu basemahostel sinasi isifiso sokuthi sihambe nathi siyoyibukela ithambo lethu lapho elifihleka khona ukuthi noma kwendlula izinsuku kodwa sibe sazi ukuthi sidelile. Ngiyabonga.
Omunye wazinduna ezifikele khona lana ezikhulumayo zikhulumela abantu zikhulumela ukuthi ziyafisa nje ukuthi zikhumbule umntana kaphinda ngene nokuthi baphinde futhi bakwazi ukuthi baye khona lapho. Angazi noma ngisanaso yini isikhathi sokuthi ngiqhubeke ngiphinde futhi ngitholane nomunye futhi ongathanda ukuthi naye adlulise owakhe umlayezo senizongazisa khona la ezindlebeni zami ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi ngiyakwazi ukuthi ningithola khona kodwa ke nalokho okwenzeka la emva kwami bokwenzeka sonokusile namhlanje abantu bebhikisha bekhuluma nje konke okuhle ngayo umntana kaphinda ngene befisa futhi nokuthi baye khona lapho bekhala ukuthi abanakho lokho okungena yes.
Siyabonga kakhulu Manyambose ngesikhathi sakho nangombiko osiqoqele uwona useNicefield. Sihlabele phambili lo bengumvikelo omphakathi osexoshiwe esikhundleni uadvocate uBusiwe Mkhwebane uthi uzokuphosela inselele ukuxoshwa kwakhe kulesi sikhundla. Umkhwebane usho lokhu enkundleni zokuxhumana uX eyabe yaziwa ngoTwitter nalapho ephendula incwadi kaMengameli wezwe beyimazisa ngokuxoshwa ngokusemthethweni ehhovisi lomvikelo omphakathi.
Advocate B Mkhwebane is accordingly removed from the office of the Public Protector. according to the recommendation of this House.
Ngomsombuluko lamshonela obe umvikeli womphakathi uadvocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane emva kokuthi ishayamthetho sikazwelonke sivotele ukuthi asuswe esikhundleni sakhe. Izolo umengameli wezwe ube esebhalela uMkhwebane emazisa ngokusemthethweni ngokuxoshwa kwakhe kulesikhundla. Kule ncwadi uRamaphosa ubalule ukuthi umthethosisekelo uthi ngemuva kokuphuthula kwesicwawe besiphenya ngomkhwebane kumele amkhiphe umvikeli womphakathi esikhundleni. Umkhwebane ke ubesenikela enkundleni yezokuxhumana uX wamemezela ukuthi uzokuphonsela inselele ukuxoshwa kwakhe, waqhubeka wathi ufisa ukuthi ngabe uhulumeni unomdlandla ofanayo eqedweni kohlelo lokucisha konga ugesi. Lokhu kwenzeka nje uMkhwebane ubesesalelwe isikhathi esingangenyanga ngaphambi kokuthi aphothule ihlandla lakhe njengomvikeli womphakathi, kanti ukuxoshwa kwakhe kusho ukuthi uzophuma ehhovisi ngaphandle kwemhlomulo yesikhundla sakhe okubalwa kuyo nemali yomhlala phansi.
I-Business Leadership South Africa nabanye abaxhasi abazimele yiba bakhokhela umbiko wezomhloli ongagunyaziwe nge-Eskom owenziwe wayisikhulu sale nkampani u-Andre de Ruyter. Lokhu kuvezwe SIU ngesikhathi ikhuluma phambi kweSikopa ePhalamende.
I-SIU ithi lengxelo yobuntlola zange igunyaziswe yibhodi yakwa-Eskom koko ngude Ruyter ubuqu. Nakuba kunjalo ithi okuqulothe yiyo akunakubethwa ngoyaba.
The accounting authority of being the Eskom board did not investigate authorize the investigation. It's a very important governance issue and really points to a measure of maladministration.
Oku kuvuse umnyele kwamanye amalungu ebuza ngendlela yokuziphatha komnye wayesakuba ngamalungu ebhodi uBusisiwe Mavuso ngengxabano neSikopa.
It now explains the conduct of Madam in one of our oversight. It's like simnyathele ikons. That outburst was unwarranted.
ude Ruyter wathyola amalunga phezulu eqela le-ANC athi anento yokwenza noku.
But here we have this great vigor to pursue him and not the others. Why are we not pursuing the others in the same way?
Tinglulama Matya wendaba ze-SABC eParlamente eKapa.
Mbukeli sithatha iqhu etolo kanti masibuya sokuphathela uWT.
Explanation is just wishy-washy.
Ufakazi wombuso ecaleni lokuwa uConstable Sizwe Zungu ube nokugabaza kobunye ubufakazi bakhe buzo ngestatement asibhala.
Shame. Soalisa.
Mbukeli sikubingelele sikwamukela mangabe usanda ngena odabeni oluhambe phambili besibike ukuthi izinkumbi zabantu zambela inkonzo yesikhumbuzo kaNdunankulu wesizwe samaZulu nobephinde abe ngumsunguli weqembu iNkatha Freedom Party ubeleni inkosi uMangosuthu Buthelezi Lundi. Mbukela sikukhumbuza ukuthi lezi ndaba zikhona na ku YouTube ngena kuyona uzicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani uzozithola. Phezu kokudlula emhlabeni kwamalungu omndeni ayisishagalolunye ngosuku olulodwa ngenxa yabalandeli be-IFP ngo-1991, umndeni kaNgulube eDobsonville eSoweto usunxusa abantu bakuleli ukuthi bekudlulise konke lokhu.
Uzibandlela inyanga evama ukunikeza imndeni ithuba lokuthi ijabule ndawonye, kodwa umndeni kaNgulube usemanzini ngenxa yabalandeli be-IFP. Kanti njengoba sekuphela iminyaka engama-30 nje kwabana lesi sigameko, bonke laba bahlukumezeka bagqugquzela ukuthula futhi benxusa abakuleli ukuthi behloniphe umntwana kwaphinda ngena osekhotheme ngokuthi bakudlulise konke kwamzukwana.
At the present moment, I think now we say let bygones be bygones. So we forget about everything now.
Unzwaki Budibo wayeneminyaka eyisishiyagalolunye ubudala ngalezo zikhathi uthi ubathatha njengamalungu omndeni bonke laba babebahlukumeza.
So far we back years later. We have a very good relationship with them. Even when, like now, it's load shedding time, but because our schedules are not the same, we're able to go boil water, go cook there. We are now one happy family. No more grudges, no more holding back to the past. It won't change today.
Umanono mayini wakwazwa amahlandla amabili emhlane uthi usakudlulisa konke lokho futhi uyayeseka indlela azotshalwa ngayo ushenge.
Naki bua ka gore nna ke motshwaretse ka re motho wa tshwarelo mo lefa.
Sengimxolele sonke kufanele sibaxolele abasonile.
Nthata
Imbabazane izotshalwa ngomgqibelo kwaphindangene ngasolunde enyakatho nesifundazwe iKwaZulu Natali.
Mbukeli asithatheke sikubeke inkundleni zemidlalo ePrince Mangosuthu lapho kuqhubeka khona inkonzo yesikhumbuzo yenkosi Mangosuthu Buthelezi.
Strength and unwavering faith as we all mourn the passing of our elder and an outstanding human being whose memory was comparable to no one even at his age. May his soul rest in peace. Signed by His Grace, the Right Reverend Bishop Lekanyana from Moria. We've received a message from the Khari royal family, which it says we refer to the above matter and we want to convey our heartfelt condolences to the Prince, who had an excellent working relationship with the Khosinkulu Rismati Mkhari on the restoration of the Watsonga kingship and always offered counsel. The royal miss his advice. And then we've received a message from Mr. Jason Anthony on behalf of the Anthony family. My family and I would like to express our heartfelt condolences on the passing of Prince Mangosuthu Buthelezi. In the decades preceding democracy and for many years after, my grandmother, Regina Anthony, founder of the Zululand Observer newspaper, interacted frequently with Prince in the journey towards equality for all South Africans. Then in the 1990s, my father, the late Lawrence Anthony, worked very closely with Prince Buthelezi as Executive Administrative Director of Inkatha Freedom Party. We bid goodbye to a man who was so much part of our great country and all South African lives for so many years. Our thoughts, prayers, and support are with you in this most difficult of times. Jason Anthony, on behalf of the Anthony family. As I said earlier on, we will not be able to read all the messages. We will acknowledge all the messages and we'll read some of them at the funeral. It is now my honor and pleasure. As I said, many political party leaders have come to the residence to offer condolences, but I would like you to be in readiness as I call a representative, and we said not more 2 to 3 minutes. And I will just say order, and please cut you short because my SG will give me the time as there. So may I first invite a representative of Al Jama Party, Councillor Khan, to come up, followed by Mrs. Rajbansi, who can also be in readiness from the Minority Front, and then followed by the Honorable Dr. Ndlozi, who was a great friend of Shenga. He represents the EFF, followed by Honorable Shalemba from the DA. Councillor Khan, I thought you would be here by now and almost finished your speech. So I think the others, please keep yourself in.
Kanti mbukeli lenkonzo yesikhumbuzo iyaqhubeka enkundleni zokuxhumana ze-SABC ku-Instagram, Twitter kanjalo na ku-Facebook. Sihlabele phambili. Ufakazi wombuso Constable Sizwe Zungu ube nokugabaza kobunye ubufakazi bakhe ngesikhathi ephekwa ngemibuzo ngestatement asibhala ikakhulukazi makufanele achaza abasola abafica emcimbini amenywe kuwo ehostel eFosloras.
Ngesikhathi uZungu ephekwa ngemibuzo kube khona ukungqubuzana kobufakazi bakhe nokwabhalwa uyena estatementini ngesikhathi ehambele umcimbi ayemenywe kuwo ehostel laseFosloras.
Mr. Zungu, no explanation is just wishy-washy because you specifically stated in your evidence in chief that he went out with accused number, and I'm not arguing with you, with accused number 2 and number 3, and with 5 in the vehicle. Now in cross-examination, you mentioned a gentleman called Mtogo and accused number 3, Mtogo, who is not before court.
uZungu ucele ukukhonjiswa izithombe zathwetshulwa ngosuku lomcimbi yize ubaloyi ethi azikho izithombe ezifihliwe.
With the permission of the court, I'm going to request the permission of the court if my colleague for the state who introduced these pictures has pictures that were taken in the hostel where you probably can show the lime t-shirt and the necklace.
But these are the only pictures that we have and which were also disclosed to the defense.
But these are the only pictures that you gave to them because remember we had problems with the statement.
Yes. These are the only pictures.
Is this the only pictures that you gave them?
Yes.
No other secret pictures?
No, my lord.
Icala liyaqhubeka.
Mbukeli sithanda uxwayisa umbukelo osheshayo ukuzwela ngalombiko olandelayo. Kubika ukuthi owesifazana beneminyaka ngama-35 wase-Eastern Cape esajonisi uzibulele kanye nezingane zakhe ezintathu ngokuzidlisa ushevu kwathi yesine yasinda kanti yelashwa esibhedlela sendawo.
Kusemva kwalenduli apho lenzeke khona elisikizi. Olusapho luthi lo mama uthatha abantwana bakhe wabasehlathini ngoqhiza lwayizolo. Kuhaneleka ukuba ubatyise ityhefu yepilisi yetanki.
Le ntombazana ivele yathatha abantwana ebusuku yahamba nabo athi bangaveli apha egeyithini bophuma ngezantsi ngoba bazobona ngunina. Wathi baye emthandazweni apha emkhumbini. Kanti ke uba sehlathini pha apha wafika badlisa khona ipilisi. Wasinda komnye wayidla ipilisi walala wangathi ufile aba basindileyo wabakhama baze bafe.
Andazi umntamno wabe nentona engqondweni. Andimazi nobe egula ngengqondo kodwa bengabona kasolito yena behlele endlini ezivalele pha endlini nabantu abakhe kuhlaliwe kube manda aphume ezincokole.
Abantu belali baze kugcwala emswaneni.
Ubengumuntu obeyihamba icawe kwexesha lingaphambili. Yiyo lento ibidala basingamlinde bengumuntu othule bengumntwana othuleyo nje alright.
Ubonakala ngathi usapho luza kuncediswa ngamalungiselelo omncwabo.
Singurhulumente ke siza kuzama ukuba kwesi sehlo esehlileyo apha ekhaya bakwazi ukubekwa kwindawo yabo.
Kwindaba ze-SABC ndingufundiswa Mhlekude eJabavu esajonisi.
Luphansi uhwebo lerandi emakethe namhlanje. Libiza u-18.93 edoleni lasemelika libe ngu-23.60 kupondo kanti lingu-20.32 ku-euro. Ipula laseBotswana libiza u-1.39. Inkomba yezabelo iphansi eJSE. Igolide libiza $1,912 i-ounce, iplatinum yona ibiza $904 i-ounce, oil ongahluziwe ubiza $92.60 umphongolo. Bafana iguqise iDRC ngegoli elilodwa emidlalweni obungani enkundleni Orlando Soweto. Igoli lebafana livalelwe phakathi uLyle Foster. uFoster ke ngesombe ke sokuqala.
This is better. Lyle Foster. Still Lyle Foster. Opening chance here for Bafana. Foster squares. Big chance here. Obas stings the palms of Kazapua. Neat ball from Shitembi. Chance for Namibia. Still chance. Play resumes. Percy Tau goes short. Maimbela back to Percy Tau. Plenty of hang time on the cross. Mvala with a good touch. Mvala squares. Foster. 1-0 Bafana.
Utaspondela pa Lyle Foster. Utangenza njani Lyle Foster. Ela natuma umnapule goalkeeper. Good lapha Lloyd Kazapua. Wafimba esele Muzi kafatlatsi ka kapoteni jwa gagwe Afrika Borwa bana phinyo nwetsene njalo mo motsotsonga wa botsoma mabedile botlhano ene no siwa jalo ke le ka bona la Lyle Foster. Hugo Bruce o bona boitumelo mo sefatlhegong sa gagwe mo na ka kwa Belgium.
Mbukeli umhlahle wesimo sezulu yalandela emva kwekhefu.
Shame. Soalisa.
Sibeka lapho indaba zehora lokuqala siyabuya futhi ngehora lesikhombisa sobe sagiya ngalo likaMagebe. Yakosokhelela inkosazana uManzuzu umshazi kanishada ngamaqhoboza. Sale kahle.